Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 17th, 2021. We're going to talk about Decentraland. We're going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for Mana. We want to know, did you see this? Do you understand what's really going on into the market in Mana? Well, welcome. We're going to talk about that today on this video. This is HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location that you're going to get a realistic price prediction in the market without all of the FUD, without all of the FOMO. We're not going to give you some astronomical price prediction telling you that the price in Mana is going to hit $5,000 per Mana coin in the cryptocurrency space. We're not that type of channel. So if you guys want to get that type of information, then we're not that channel for you. Unfortunately, we're not. We're going to give you something more realistic so that we can be in position to capitalize on the price movement. So if you guys want to learn more, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Definitely want to always say thank you to our day ones, the ones who've been very good in supporting this particular content that we are creating. Hopefully it has been reciprocal to each and every one of you, that you've been learning so much from understanding how the market really works. So first of all, let me talk about our last video that we did in Mana. We was on November the 5th. You guys can see it right here. We was playing some weakness into the market in Mana, and we did see a dip, but it was only on one day. The market in Mana did not necessarily continue to go down in price. No, it didn't. We only saw it on one day, which occurred on November the 10th, 2021. This is the only opportunity we had to grab the bag, or at least get some profits out the market. Did you do that? Because right now, if you didn't, we will be down in the play about 25, 26%. Now, if you were to grab the bag on the low of what happened on November the 10th, then that will give us around 14% profitability right before the market in Mana went up, right? So either or. But given that we didn't have too much time to grab that profitability in Mana, we need to talk about, okay, cool. Obviously, the market is not that weak then, right? That would be easy for us to conjecture that that is what is going on into this market, that the demand is overpowering the weakness. We could take that into consideration. So let me get rid of that. And let's try to see what the price in Mana is going to do next, right? Again, you can drop me the comment in the comment section of this video to give me your price prediction. I'm just going to simply show you what I'm seeing on the price chart to try to gauge where the market is going to go, because I am seeing some issues. Now, if you want all of the rainbows and the cupcakes and how everything's going to go up to price, higher in price, then we might not be that place for you, because we play all sides of the market. If we're seeing weakness into the market, then we're going to tell our subscribers that. It's only right that you have people on your team that is going to keep it real and be real with you in terms of what they're noticing on the price chart. Everything just doesn't always go up in price. There are times to where price do in fact come down. So let's talk about that real quick. Let me show you this. Okay. Have you all noticed this? Right? Have you noticed that the market in Mana is having issues with breaking above $3.60? Like, have you seen that? Can you not tell that this is what's going on in the market recently? It started right here on November the 12th. Here it is, the 17th. So 5 days, Mana has tried to break above $3.60. Right? Look at it. And each day, the market has failed in successfully achieving price breakage above $3.60. We haven't seen that. That's an issue. This tells us, right? It tells us that there is a huge amount of selling going on right there around $3.60. And so much so that even the interest and the demand in the market, those who are willing to buy Mana, they don't have enough juice to actually consume whoever is selling their Mana in the market right now. At some point, those who are willing to buy Mana right below $3.60, yeah, they're going to get tired. And when they get tired, that's when the market in Mana is going to drop once again. When you have seen the market consolidate in 5 days, right, on weakness, just like this, it tells us that the market is about to change. And eventually the price is going to break, and it's going to break down and not up. While everyone else is telling you, well, we're still hovering around $3.60. The market look like it wants to go up in price. That might not be the case. Let's see if we got something different on a different time frame then. This is Mana on a 2-day time frame. So take a look at this. We saw the weakness coming to the market in Mana on this 2-day price bar, which started on November the 13th. We saw weakness carry over on November the 15th, and we're still seeing the weakness right now. Now, we still have a day and 10 hours left on this current 2-day price bar. So yeah, anything can change within that time frame. But as of right now, this definitely signifies that the weakness is winning against those who are trying to buy. Those who are selling is beating those who are trying to buy mana right now. Look at this on the 3-day time frame. We got 9 hours and 30 minutes left. And it's kind of like a wash right now of this price in mana. Is even between the buyers and the sellers from a 3-day time frame. This is the 5-day. We still saw selling come into the market, the last completed 5-day price bar. So again, it tells us that the weakness, the sellers are pretty much winning right now in the market in mana. So let's see this on the hourly time frame then. This is the 9-hour chart. And you guys can literally tell that we don't like to see this. Let me circle this. I want to show you this, right? Look at all this consolidational trading, right? Out of all of these price bars consolidated and trading sideways, there's only one price bar that I'm seeing that really signifies that the buyers are in control, and is right there. That's the only one that I'm seeing. And since that time, we're still seeing selling occur into the market in mana. Look at those 3 9-hour price bars right there. This is the 5-hour. So what would your expectation be? Will you be looking for the market in mana to break above $3.60, or are you looking for it to continue to go down? Look at this on the 3-hour. What are your expectations, right? We got to get in position. We got to plan out, where do we think the market price in mana is going to go? What are you noticing? Take a look at that. This is the 13-hour price chart in mana. So the question is, what are you noticing? Do you think the market in mana is going to have enough momentum to actually break $3.60? Because as of right now, it's not ready. But for us being predictors, we need to predict, okay, cool. It might not be ready right now. But who's to say in the next 2 to 3 days that the price won't break above $3.60? Right? So let me give you all what I'm looking forward to. Okay. Because yeah, right now, if you were to put a timestamp on this price chart, yeah, the market in mana is weak. Yes, it is. But as I transition over to these different time frames, I'm still seeing the ability of mana to go up though. Right? Now, given that that's the case, we have to be prepared for the market to dip though, because I was telling you already throughout the majority of this video that the price in mana is weak. So from out the gate, yeah, we can see the price dip in mana. Yeah, no doubt about it. We can see the market dip, but we're not expecting it to be a long lasting dip. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm looking forward to into the market in mana. I'm looking forward to go up right now. You guys can literally tell that we haven't really seen price progression massively, right? We came all the way down to $2.20, held support, and hit our head up there around $3.60. We've been trading sideways since then. So given that that's the case, $3 will have to be support in the market in mana. That would be the first area. The second area ultimately will be down here around $2.70. Okay. I'll do $2.60. Now, can we see price go below $2.60? Yeah, we can. No doubt about it. But that's cool because I can see it. And you all should be able to see it too on this hourly time frame as to how the market is willing to hold this area as support. Now, we did come down to 220. I mean, I'm not going to deny that. That's the biggest area of support in mana, right? That's the biggest. I can see that. But given how we've seen the market hold support at 240, 260, I'm going to bring our support area right there around $2.60. Okay. Now, as we expect the price to go up in mana, we need to be prepared to eat, right? We need to be prepared to eat off the market at $3.60. Now that's 10.81% profitability. Again, Majority of the market currently is weak. So once we see this price go up at $3.60, we might need to eat right there and take the bag and not be greedy. Second area is going to be $3.80 for us to take the profitability out the market in Mana. Okay. Lastly would be $4. All right. So now let me take this back over to the daily time frame. I want us to keep watch of this from a daily perspective. Okay. Bring this up slightly. And we're going to follow the market over the next couple of days. We're going to pay attention to the price and Mana to see, can we get some upward movement? Now, I'm not overly bullish. I'm not overly bearish. I'm pretty much looking for us to eventually try to crack that $3.60 to the upside, maybe $3.80, and then we'll come back down and consolidate once again, right? So this is my expectation. This is my price prediction. Now it's your turn. Give me your price prediction in the market in Mana over the next 2 weeks. All right. In the next 2 weeks, where will price be for Mana? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.